Buy brand new shoes. We're gonna buy in Sport Check, Canada, Saskatchewan. So this is our gift as a hard worker in winter season. This December 27 afternoon, I buy my gift to myself, a Jordan shoes. Okay, because I'm bored. I need to make happy and enjoy in Canada, Saskatchewan. This is a gift coming from my perseverance, being a hard worker. So this is a Jordan Aura 11. Okay, Aura 7. Jordan Max Aura. Okay. So this combination color of, I like the color combination black and white in the design. It is like a retro color, so or design. Okay, so I put the date and my signature. Okay, it's different among the different original color. So this is unique black and white combination Jordan Max Aura. Okay, 7. So this is a gift before end of this year. Okay, so this is one of our collection also. So we have no choice, just for fun. I need to give to myself because no one can give to me. So this is our blog content for our YouTube channel. So this is amazing tips. If you are a hard worker, you can buy your own stuffs for yourself, and love yourself. Okay, just remember that, because if you are a hard worker, you need to love yourself also, your health, not only money, or because you have lots of money in the bank but you're not happy. Don't do that to yourself. Buy your own needs, like food, like shoes like this. Is your obligation to yourself to be happy. Not only a savings, you have money in the bank, you have lots of money, you have lots of money in the pocket or in your wallet. It doesn't matter. The important, you're happy. If you're happy in your money, go. If you're happy, you buy something, shopping to yourself, go. If you want earning money to yourself, go. So that's a tips to you this winter. Okay, because I have a 2 salary from the pipes and the metal job. Okay, this is one of the gift to myself this coming December. This December, not only the 2 laptops last year, last month. Sorry. So enjoy life, enjoy your money, enjoy your blessing. This is only the tip for you. Okay. Buy. Don't be no need two option, no need second thoughts. So do it. As long you happy, even you have no money, as long you buy your for yourself, do it. Eat food or going somewhere if you have money. That's only a tip to you this winter season. This is amazing tips. Okay? Don't be happy just only a money or a material thing. Important, you're coming to yourself, coming to your heart, you're happy. That's it. Okay, see you guys. That's all. And subscribe, click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's all. See you guys.